SPEC Mix, your trusted leader in masonry mortars and grouts, is excited to elevate your projects even further with a full line of high-performance masonry sealants that match SPEC Mix mortar colors, delivering the same specifiable quality and reliability you've come to depend on. SPEC Mix sealants come in both non-sag and self-leveling formulations, backed by a full range of packaging sizes and formats that give contractors the flexibility to tackle any job with speed and precision. SPEC Mix sealants are available in both standard and textured finishes to closely match the appearance of any mortar joint. Engineered for superior gunning and finishing performance, they give applicators a smooth, seamless installation every time. Whether it's a major build or a detailed specialty application, SPEC Mix delivers the performance and convenience that keeps projects moving and customers satisfied.